Automotive technology for us is diagnosing and repairing today's complex modern vehicles. And so we focus a lot more in our classes on the diagnostic part of it than just the parts replacement, because that way when our students get finished here, they don't just know how to replace the cam position sensor, they know why they're replacing it.
I really enjoy the automotive program because you truly get that hands-on experience and the one-on-one with the instructor to be there with you, guide you as you're working on a vehicle, diagnosing a vehicle. And you also kind of get to bounce off your peers with each other, to diagnose with each other, and it's a well-rounded approach to the program.
I was in the Army for 20 years. You know, I was looking for something to do after retirement, and so I had a passion for cars and tinkering with cars and stuff, so I decided to look up some, I guess, automotive-friendly schools, and OCCC was one.
All of our students will be working at a shop, earning full-time wages and full-time benefits while coming to school. So you're not building your career and starting your career at two separate points. You start your career and you build your career at the same time.
When I first started this, I started at a local dealership in the OKC Metro for the GM program. And so they would pair me with an advanced level technician. And not only that, you get to learn here from the instructors who have been in this field for, combined total of, 50 to 100 years.
Once the student graduates, depending on which program they go into, they're going to be awarded their factory-specific certifications. And we do run programs with General Motors, Honda, Nissan, Subaru, Toyota. We just added Hyundai in December, and we added Mercedes in January. So, our students will work at one of those dealerships, and then they get their factory-specific certifications. So they could walk out of here 80% master certified in whatever.
We do about half the day in the classroom. We're learning, a lot of the book work, technical knowledge, very important stuff. To be able to come out here and actually put hands on the vehicle, you need to really know what you're working, what you're doing beforehand. But the rest of the half of the day, you can do anything from timing jobs to, air ride suspension to electrical diagnosis, rebuilding and repairing transmissions, engines.
The class size is decent. It's very small, so you get a lot of one-on-one with the teachers. They are very knowledgeable in their job, always willing to help, even stay behind if you need any assistance on anything. Being here in class has gave me the knowledge to, I guess, take with me on my own personal projects. So I've learned how to change my own master cylinder, change my brake pads, change my brake shoes. So stuff like that helps out. It relaxes me, helps me with problem-solving skills that everyone should have.
The dealership life is kind of an open door for them. So they can stay in the shop after they graduate and work, or they can even move into the corporate world with their degree and become a field service engineer. They can do things like service manual validation and labor time studies and things like that. Another nice thing about this industry, cars are constantly evolving and constantly changing. We went from carburetors to injection, and now we're moving to EV. So, if you're a type of person that gets really bored doing the same thing over and over and over again, this would be a good thing for you. So we just recently got 3 electric vehicle trainers. That it's something that we're going to start integrating into our regular classes, but we're also going to offer it up to people who are not college students, so for professional development. But the 3 trainers that we have, one of them is a vehicle trainer, so they're going to learn how to diagnose electric vehicle problems on a vehicle. Another one is a battery trainer, so that one will allow the students to learn how to diagnose internal battery faults or failures. And then the third one that we have is a first responders trainer. When a first responder comes up on the scene of an accident and it's an electric vehicle, they will know how to safely get the vehicle out of the way, safely get passengers out of the vehicle and stuff like that.
For future students, just try to obviously learn as much as you can from your instructors. They have so much knowledge. They're trying to do the best and most that they can for you. They know what they're talking about. They love to serve you and others around them. I mean, they really, truly want the best for you in your career and want you to get the best out of this experience.